When running some searches on Google, you might notice a quick, straightforward answer explaining the details of your query. This isn't information directly from a website, but a summary generated by Google itself. These are Google's AI overview answers, and in this video I will show you how to track them for free. It all started in May 2024 when Google introduced AI overviews in its SERP results. Well, those first few days didn't go so well. But things have progressed, and Google's AI-generated answers are still here, offering quick response to search queries, and it's not just limited to USA. It's now available in countries like United Kingdom, India, Japan, Indonesia, Mexico, and my lovely country, Brazil. This feature summarizes content from multiple websites into one concise answer, making it easier for users to get information they need quickly. There are still questions about whether this benefits or not the publisher in terms of traffic. However, Google does include certain websites and publish alongside the AI overview feature. You can rank for this and be listed as one of data sources for those answers. This can help you increase brand awareness and even drive traffic to your site. But how can we track this new AI overview SERP feature? With Semrush, of course, and it's super easy to do it. There are 3 tools in Semrush that can help you track AI overviews, and you can use all of them with a free subscription. The first one is Position Tracking Tool. Every free Semrush user gets one project with 10 keywords. In this tool, you can add your project's most important keywords and track your ranks specifically for them. This saves you time by focusing only on the relevant information, and you can also compare your site with your main competitors. When you are checking for SERP features, just click the Overview tab in the Position Tracking tool. Then use the SERP Features filter to select AI Overviews. This will show you which keywords from your campaign trigger an AI overview, and if you or your competitors are ranking for it. The second tool to track AI overview is Organic Research. To find the data, search for any domain in Organic Research. Go to the Overview tab and scroll down the SERP Features table. Here you can see which SERP features are linked to the domain and which are not. When clicking on the AI overview list, it will automatically filter it and show all the keywords that this domain is associated with as a source. The third tool provides a more general information about any domain. With the Domain Overview tool in Semrush, you can see the percentage of keywords for which a domain ranks in AI overviews. If you hover over the graphs bar, we will see how many of the domain's keywords trigger AI overviews and how many link back to the analyzed website. But there's also another tool from Semrush that can help you to track AI overviews percentages even better. It's the Semrush Sensor. The Semrush Sensor gives you insight into how often AI overviews appears across different industries, highlighting how this feature varies in Google search results. To use Sensor for tracking AI overviews, just go to the tool, by the way the link is here in the description, and select AI overviews to view how often they appear. You can check by industry or get the overall percentage for each business niche. And that's it. Now you know what AI overviews are and how to track them for free. And maybe it will be easier for you to say, "Whoa, Google is using my content for its AI overviews. How dare they?" Guys, just check the links below and you already know. I'll see you on the top. Take care.